Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sanjanwal. Today we'll discuss a new type of DFA construction. Okay, write the question. Design a DFA that accepts all strings where third input symbol is A from LHS side over the input alphabet 0, 1. Design a DFA that accepts all strings where third input symbol is A, where the third input symbol is A. Okay, third input symbol is A from LHS side. Okay, try to understand this question. What is the meaning of this question? Third input symbol is A from LHS side. This is the third, this is second, this is first. First may be any combination of A or B. The second may be any combination of A or B. This is called third input symbol. That means what is the minimum string? The minimum string is here. See here, the third input symbol from LHS side is A. Okay, suppose BAA, but the third input symbol from LHS side is A. Suppose BAB, this is a valid string, this one is a valid string. BAB, the third input symbol is B, so it is invalid string. Suppose AAAA, it is a valid string because the third input symbol is from LHS side is A. Yes, it is a valid string. Okay, third input symbol means third input symbol must be A. The second input symbol any combination of A or B, or the first input symbol is any combination of A or B. Okay, right? Now we'll construct the DFA. The DFA is like, see here, let it is Q0 state, Q1 state, it's Q2 state, it is Q3 state. Q3 is my final state. Okay, see here, my third input symbol is A from LHS side. What is the case? Third input symbol is A from LHS side, means it must be A. The third input symbol is A. The first input symbol is either A or B. The first input symbol is either A or B. The second input symbol is either A or B. But the third input symbol must be A. Okay. Now, okay, this is the minimum transaction. Now we will adjust the transaction according to DFA rule. Okay, Q0 already reads AB, Q1 already reads AB, Q2 reads A, then Q2 will read B. See here, first input symbol either A or B. The second input symbol either A or B. The third input symbol must be A. If third input symbol is B, that means it will go to dead state. Okay, if third input symbol is B, that will go to dead state. Okay, Q2 already reads A and B, then Q3 will read. Okay. So here there are multiple number of edges may be coming. Okay, but the third input symbol, but the third input symbol is A. Okay, but the third input symbol is A. So A is a self loop on Q3 state. Okay. Suppose BBA, but there is multiple number of B's may be coming after A, or like this BB, or like BA, A, B, like this multiple number of B's may be coming, but the third input symbol from LHS side is A. So B will stay on Q3 state, or B is a self loop, in Q3 state. Okay. Hope all of you understand this question. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Okay. So now we'll calculate. Okay. Now we'll calculate the number of states. How many number of states? Now we'll generalize the number of states. It is a third input symbol. It is a third input symbol. See here. Third input symbol is A from LHS side. Since it is a third input symbol from LHS side, so total count, how many number of states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of states equal to 5. Okay. If we will generalize for n, means nth input symbol, if it is nth input symbol is A from LHS side, then how many number of states? The total number of states equal to n plus 2. The total number of states equal to n plus 2. Okay, this is the note. If nth input symbol is A from LHS side, either it may be A or may be B. Okay, it's not actually A. Okay, if nth input symbol from LHS side, the total number of states equal to n plus 2. Okay, since it is a third input symbol is A, the total number of states equal to n plus 2, means 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay. Okay. Now we'll construct one more similar type of question. Okay. The next question. Fifth input symbol is A from LHS side over the input alphabet A, B. Okay. The previous case is also the input alphabet is like this is the input alphabet A, B. Remember, this is A and B. This is not 0, 1. Sorry, this is not 0, 1. The input alphabet is here A, B. Okay. The fifth input symbol is A from LHS side over the input alphabet A, B. Okay. So now we'll calculate the number of states. Number of states equal to n plus 2. N means here 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Total number of states equal to 7. Here fifth input symbol means first input symbol either A or B. The second input symbol is either A or B. The third input symbol is either A or B. The fourth input symbol is either A or B. But the fifth input symbol is must be A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth input symbol must be A. The fifth input symbol must be A. For example, A, 5A. The fifth input symbol is A, so it is a valid string. B, A. The fifth input symbol is A, so it is a valid string. Suppose B, A, B. The fifth input symbol is B, so it is invalid string. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. This is Q4. Okay. The first one is A or B. The second one is A or B. The third one is A or B. The fourth one is A or B. Fifth one must be, this is Q5. It's my final state. The fifth tension must be A. Q0 is my initial state. Fifth input symbol must be A. If it is B, if fifth input symbol is B, that will go to dead state Q, D. A comma B. So there are multiple number of A's may be coming. Suppose like this A. But the fifth input symbol is A. So A is a self loop on Q5 state. Similarly, multiple number of B's may become after A, means after fifth A. Suppose A like this. This is fifth A. There are multiple number of B's may be coming. So B is a self loop. So B is a self loop A comma B. So B is a self loop on Q5 state. Okay. Hope all of you understand this type of question. Okay. Now we'll construct some different types of, means from RHS side. Now we'll construct one more question from RHS part. Okay. The next question. Second input symbol. The second input symbol is A from RHS side over the input alphabet A comma B. Here the second input symbol is A from RHS side. That means if it is RHS, the second input symbol must be A. The first input symbol either A or B, means from RHS side. From RHS side. For example, A is a valid because the second input symbol from RHS part is A. Suppose AB, the second input symbol is A from RHS part. Okay. Suppose A, the second input symbol is B, so it is invalid string. Suppose A, B, the second input symbol is A from RHS part, so it is valid string. A, B, the second input symbol from RHS part is A, so it is a valid string. Okay. Hope all of you understand this type of question, this question. So now we'll construct the DFA. Okay. This is Q0 state. This is Q1 state. This is Q2 state. Q2 is my final state. This is Q3 state. Q3 is my final state. Okay. Sorry. Q3 is my final state. Okay. So Q0 is my initial state. The second input symbol. So what is the minimum string here? The minimum string is either A or AB, because the second input symbol from RH part is A and the second input symbol from RHS part is A. See here, this must be A, the second input symbol. Either this one is, oh sorry, this is Q1, okay. Either this is A or this is B, okay. This is the minimum string. Either this is A or this is AB, okay. Okay, this is the minimum string. Now we'll adjust the remaining transitions according to DFA rule. Q0 already reads A, now Q0 will read B, okay. See here, there are multiple number of beats, suppose B in the initial state, but A, suppose this type of, for this type of string, this is a valid string, but the second input symbol from RHS part is A. The second input symbol, there are multiple number of beats may come, suppose like B, 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 A, B. There are multiple number of beats in the left side, there is no problem because the second input symbol is A. So B is a self loop on Q0 state. So B is a self loop on Q0 state. Okay. So Q0 reads AB, Q1 reads AB. Now we'll adjust the transition for Q2 and Q3 state. Okay. Suppose there are multiple number of A's may come because the second input symbol is A. So A is a self loop on Q2 state. Okay. See here, AB is a valid string because the second input symbol is A from RHS part. A, see here, this is A, then B will go to Q3 state. Then B will go to Q3 state. Okay. Now, okay, clear? Q2 already reads A, B. Now Q3 will read. Okay. Suppose A, B, A. Suppose A, B, A, B, A is a valid string. See here, this is A, this is B, then this is A and this is A. Okay. Suppose A, B, multiple number of A's like this. See here, A, then B, then A, then multiple number of A's may come. Okay. See here, one more string, A, B, 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 A, like this. What is the second input symbol is A here. The second input symbol is A here. Okay. See here, A, then B, then B will go to Q0 state. Then B will go to Q0 state. Then see here, A, B, then B, then multiple number of B's may come, then A, then A, then A. Okay. Okay, this is the DFA diagram. If any doubt, you can ask through. You can ask any question through comment box. Okay. So here, now we'll generalize the number of states. Now we'll generalize the number of states. This is the second input symbol. This is the second input symbol. So the total number of states is here. The total number of states equal to 4. The total number of states equal to 4. The total number of states equal to 4. If nth input symbol, if nth input symbol is A from RHS side, then the total number of states equal to, then the total number of states equal to 2 to the power n. Then the total number of states equal to 2 to the power n. Okay, the total number of states equal to 2 to the power n. Here in this question, since it is the second input symbol, so it is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the 2 means it is 4. 2 to the power 2 means it is 4. Okay. Hope all of you understand this question. Now we'll construct the similar type of question. The next question, third input symbol. The third input symbol is A from RHS side. Okay, over the input alphabet A comma B. Third input symbol is A from RHS side. Since it is third input symbol, the total number of states equal to 2 to the power q means 8. Total number of states equal to 8. Okay, check what is the valid string. This is the A as third input symbol is A. Suppose B as third input symbol is A. This is a valid. Suppose B as it is a valid because the third input symbol is A B as it is a valid because the third input symbol is A from RHS part. A B as it is a invalid string because the third input symbol is B from RHS part. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. So here, how many states? 8 states. This is Q0 state. This is Q1 state. This is Q2 state. This is Q3 state. This is Q4 state. This is Q5 state. This is Q6 state. This is Q7 state. So the all states are these states are called final states. These states are called final states. Okay. So Q0 is my initial state. Okay. See here. This is my the third input symbol is A. Third input symbol is A. So this one is either A or B. This one is either A or B. This one is either A or B. Means see here, this is called as the minimum string. A and A. Okay. A B. A B. The third in minimum string is ABA. A, B, A. Then the ABB, A, the fourth minimum string is ABB. A, then B, then B. Clear? Okay. Now we'll adjust the string. So we can take many number of edges. The third input symbol is A. Okay. So this one is A. We can take A is here. So we can take A, B. The third input symbol is A. It's a valid string. A, then A, then B will go to here. Okay. Then B triple A is a valid string. So this one is, so B is a self loop on Q0 state, or we can say like multiple number of B's. Okay. So multiple number of B's, then triple A is a valid string. Okay. Q0 already is AB, Q1 already is AB, Q2 already is AB, Q3 already is AB, Q4 already is AB. Now we'll see for Q5. Sorry, now we'll see for Q7. Okay. Q7, A, B, B, A. It is a valid string because the third input symbol is A from RHS part here. A, B, B. So this is A. Okay. Now we'll check A, B, multiple number of B's, triple A, because the third input symbol is A. Then A, B, then multiple number of B, then multiple number of B's, then A, and A. Okay. Q7. Okay. Then A, B, A. It is a valid string because the third input symbol is A. So here this is A, B, then A will go to here, then A will go to Q6 state. Okay. Then A, B, S, it is a valid string. This is A, B, and this is B. Right? Okay, Q5 already reads AB. Then Q6. Okay, Q6. Like A, B, A, multiple number of heads because the third input symbol is A. So it is a valid string. Here A, B, A, then this is A, multiple number of heads. Okay. This is A, this is B, this is A, then go to A, then go to A, then any number of heads will come, will end on Q4 state. Okay. Then B. Okay. A, B, A, B, A. This is a valid string because the third input symbol is A. See here, this is A, this is B, this is A, then this is B, then this is A. Okay. A, B, A, B, then A. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, this is your one type of DFA from LHS side and RHS side. Okay, if any doubt on today's class, you can ask any question through comment box or through the given Gmail ID or email ID. Okay, thanks for watching.